Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your handset supports the correct 5G bands and VO NR if required. Once done, open My Geo or visit a Geo store and request a 5G SIM or eSIM activation. Make sure your account has an active prepaid or postpaid plan eligible for 5G. While you wait for the SIM or eSIM QR, backup contacts, and note any custom APN settings. Do this now so the physical transition is seamless when the new SIM arrives. Once your 5G SIM or eSIM is provisioned, install it and follow the on-screen activation steps. You may need to restart. Next, update your device OS and accept any carrier settings updates. These push critical APN and network profiles. Then go into mobile network settings. Set preferred network to 5G/4G auto, enable VO LTE or VO NR if shown, and confirm APN matches Geo defaults. These changes allow your phone to register properly on 5G. You finish by verifying the 5G icon in the status bar and running a quick speed test near a window or outdoors where signal is stronger. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reinsert the SIM. Make sure network mode stays set to 5G/4G auto. If problems persist, check band compatibility against your phone's MA, confirm your plan is 5G enabled, and then contact Geo support with MA and account info. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.